Hey guys, welcome back to RGTV. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I want to show you guys how I can grapes. So I just have some dark purple grapes here. We're going to remove these from the stem. We're going to place them in our strainer and clean them really well. Okay, and you want to make sure that you get rid of any grapes that are soft or overripe. We're gonna can these in pint jars. Okay, once I get these done, we're gonna head over and we're gonna wash these really well. And then we're gonna place these in a bowl of cold water with some fruit fresh. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these grapes cleaned and ready for. Alrighty guys, so we have our clean pints, and I'm just gonna take my clean grapes that have been sitting in fruit fresh, and we're gonna fill our jars to the inch mark, and then we're gonna fill them with a light syrup to the ½ inch mark. But we're just gonna fill our grapes up to the inch, and it's just easier for me to grab these with my hands, so just make sure that your hands are really clean. And we're just going to fill each jar. Now, the National Center for Home Preservation recommends that you can grapes in a light syrup. So we're going to make that, and we actually have that ready, but you're going to take 5 1/4 cups of water and 5 1/4 cups of water to 2 1/4 cups of sugar. You're going to heat that through very well on your stove. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish filling my pints, and we're gonna go on. Okay, so I have my jars filled, and all I do is just kind of tap them down to make sure that my grapes are at the 1 inch mark. You don't really want to go over that. You want to make sure that your syrup covers your grapes, okay? And if it doesn't, though, it's fine, but you want to try to aim for that each time that you can any fruit. So we're gonna take our simple syrup, our light syrup, and we're going to fill our jars to a ½ inch from the top. Okay. And this amount of simple syrup covers approximately 6 to 7 jars, 6 to 7 pint jars. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling up our jars. Okay guys, so we're gonna make our light syrup, and it's 5 1/4 cups water to 2 1/4 cups of sugar. We're going to heat that thoroughly, and that will fill approximately 7 pints. Okay, so now we're just going to tap our jars. Okay, you don't have to get in here with the skewer and squish all your fruit. You just tap it. They're round, it's okay, the air will come out. Okay, so tap your jars and then refill to the 1/2 inch mark if you need to. Okay, so we've made sure that all of our jars are filled to 1/2 inch. We're going to take a clean paper towel and vinegar, and we're going to clean our rims. This will keep your jars from spilling, believe me. So you want to make sure that your jar rims are cleaned. I only use vinegar just because I want to make sure. All right, so now we're just going to take our lids. And our rings. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is so pretty. So these are ready for our canner, our water bath. We're going to water bath these for 20 minutes. Make sure that it's hot jars in a hot canner. Bring it up to a boil and then start your timer for 20 minutes. That's based on my altitude. There you have it, guys. They process for 20 minutes. They're absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to get these on my shelf. Whenever you want a quick snack, just pull one of these open. You can eat this straight out of the jar, and you'll have beautiful fresh grapes all year round. So definitely give it a try, guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know you were here. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.